I think a favorite form of story is the riddle story. There's something about the idea that almost seems to be coming to mind, the possibility of working out the riddle that draws you in and holds you there. You desperately want to work it out for yourself, but you also want the answer. Riddle stories work a little bit like good sales technique, in that they hook you and hold you and say, here's a problem, and can you work out how to do it? And let me show you the solution. So when we do understanding storytelling again tomorrow, we will be looking at a little bit more of an emphasis on how it works in a sales setting. But let me leave you with a riddle story you might know already. I say riddle story. You could build a story around this, but it comes to a scene like this, that there are two doors. One door leads to eternal death and damnation, and the other door leads to a life of eternal bliss. Both doors look exactly the same, and standing outside of the doors, there are two guardians who also look just the same as one another. However, one can only lie and one can only tell the truth. The hero in our story can only ask one question. Who are they going to ask? How are they going to know which one they are asking? So how will they know they can trust the answer? Because our hero must choose one of the doors, death and damnation, or a life of eternal bliss. So if you're given that chance to ask one question only, and you don't know who is going to lie and who is going to tell the truth, what could that question be? What does that question need to be? Maybe you know of this riddle already. I'm not going to give you the answer. If you know, perhaps you can type it in or you can give it a go. But it is one of those stories, if you like, that just set up an idea in your head where you may be wondering now, what is the solution to this? Don't tell me. No, please tell me. Well, we'll be looking at things like that as we do this module, which is micro module number 1, repeating tomorrow, understanding storytelling. And there's more to come. See if you can work out the riddle.